Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Guess what time it is? It is time to teach you guys how to make my thyme chicken wings on the Blackstone. These are one of my favorite kinds of chicken wings on the Blackstone, and I cannot wait to show you guys how you guys can make them at home. Before we jump into this, be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe and click that bell. That way you guys don't miss any of the recipes that me, CJ, Nate, and Todd are rolling out for you guys every single week to try at home on your Blackstone. Now it's time to make those thyme wings. Now when it comes to making chicken wings on the Blackstone, I love my chicken wings extra crispy and extra delicious. That is why I always buy my chicken fresh, never frozen. Sometimes it's already cut like this and vacuum sealed. You can find this easily in stores like Whole Foods. The first thing I do with my chicken wings after washing them off with some salty water, rinsing them and patting them dry, is letting them hang out in the refrigerator overnight. You could do this several different ways: in a bowl layered with paper towels in between to really dry out those chicken wings, or you could do this on baking sheets and place them in your refrigerator as long as those chicken wings have some paper towels to absorb and dry out those wings. It's really gonna help you achieve that extra crispy chicken wing that you're looking for on a griddle surface. We're gonna dump these into a bowl and drizzle them with some extra light tasting olive oil. It is my favorite oil for frying and baking, and it's perfect on the Blackstone griddle surface. Now for our seasoning. The key ingredient to this seasoning is thyme. Dried thyme has such a fabulous flavor. You guys see me using this in my pork cutlets and my chicken cutlets. I love the flavor it gives to the chicken. To that we have our paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder, some dried parsley flakes, and some coarse salt and black pepper. This mixture of dry spices is what my mom and grandma put on everything. So I love this for my potatoes, I love it for my chicken, I love it on seafood. It is perfect, and this is all these wings need. So we'll season these wings up with some of each of those ingredients. Once we season these wings with all of those delicious spices, we're going to give them a quick toss, and we'll let these chicken wings hang out in the kitchen at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. It is very important to let your chicken sit out, not in the sun, not outside, but in a nice cool kitchen for at least 30 minutes. This way that chicken cooks evenly throughout without overcooking the outside before cooking the inside. Once our 30 minutes is up, we'll turn on our Blackstone to low heat. To that, we'll instantly add our drums to the Blackstone griddle and let them have a 5-minute head start to cooking before adding our drumettes. I always like to start off my wings nice and low and slow. Let that fat begin to render out. Let them begin to cook through before we start to crisp up the outside. I want to make sure that our chicken wings are cooked through. So we'll keep flipping these every 5 minutes or so. You can close the lid to your Blackstone to add some extra heat for even cooking. If you don't have a cover, you can use one of the Blackstone domes, which is perfect for cooking chicken wings. These chicken wings are starting to look nice and golden brown on the outside. I know that they are cooking through nice and low and slow on the inside, which is going to create a very juicy, crispy, tender chicken wing. If you'd like, you can use your Blackstone squirt bottle, adding a little bit of water around the outside of your pile of chicken wings. Close your lid or place your Blackstone dome over those chicken wings and let them just hang out for a few minutes under there to ensure that they are cooked through. Towards the end is where I want to turn up my heat just slightly. I can go from low or medium low to medium high. This way now the outside begins to crisp up to a perfect crispy, crunchy crust of a wing, just exactly how I like them. Once they are golden brown to my liking, I'm going to remove them and plate them up. I like to serve these alongside some different dipping sauces, some ranch, some blue cheese, some hot sauces. The more the better. I do like these wings nice and naked, just the way they are, with a variety of dipping sauces, some fresh cut vegetables, and this is perfect for my family and friends, and these are always the first to disappear. They're so delicious. I hope you guys try these at home. If you do, be sure to tag Blackstone products and tag Blackstone Betty. Take those pictures and those videos so that we can continue to share you guys recreating our recipes at home on your own Blackstones. Until next time, I am Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.